English together. Good morning, sir. How can I assist you today?
Well, I have some time off from work next month, and I was thinking of visiting Tokyo for the Christmas holiday.
That sounds great. How long is your vacation?
Just 1 week. My last day at work is on the 24th of December, and I'll be returning on the 31st of December.
All right. Here's our Tokyo brochure. Take a look and see if there's a hotel that you like.
Oh, this one looks good. The Four Seasons Hotel. I've heard it's very nice, although a bit expensive.
Yes, it's indeed a high-class hotel. I'm sure you'll enjoy your stay there. Would you like me to make the booking now, sir?
Yes, please.
You just need to provide some personal information.
My full name is John Smith. My telephone number is 1234 1234.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Do you have a daytime number I can reach you at if necessary?
Yes, you can reach me at 555-1234 during the day.
Great. Will you be traveling alone, Mr. Smith?
Yes, it will be just me.
All right. You finish work on Friday the 24th, so shall I try to book your flight for the next day?
Yes, please. And I'll need a return flight on the 31st of December as well.
Let me check the availability for you. There are seats available on the Japan Airlines flight, but there is a layover in Hong Kong for a few hours. Is that acceptable to you?
Oh, I was hoping for a direct flight. Are there any options for a direct flight to Tokyo?
Yes, there is a direct flight with All Nippon Airways. It departs at 9 a.m. on Saturday morning and arrives in Tokyo at 2 p.m. local time.
That sounds much better. I'll take that direct flight.
All right, I'll book that for you. Now let's reserve a room for you at the Four Seasons Hotel. Do you prefer a single or a double room?
A single room will be fine. Thank you.
Perfect. All rooms at the Four Seasons have a view of the city. Shall I make the confirmation for you?
Yes, please go ahead.
All right, so now you have a room reserved at the Four Seasons Hotel. The total cost, including your flight, is $2,000. How would you like to pay for it?
I'll pay by credit card. Here's my card.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Your ticket should be ready in a couple of days. I can call you at work to let you know.
That would be great. Thank you very much for your assistance.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. Have a wonderful trip to Tokyo.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.